Do you really think you blew the summer? This video will be short, but it will help you get back on your feet and keep going. I'm not going to drag this out. Let's get started. Health, discipline, money. That's what you need now. You'll get the rest as you go along. I'll explain why I said these three aspects, all in order. The most valuable thing you have, health. People bust their asses to get rich instantly and do not watch their condition at all, because of which they burn out and get psychological diseases. They can manifest themselves in different ways: sudden weight gain, headaches, insomnia. Have you noticed that when you have something very badly hurts, you do not want to do anything? All the problems you thought were problems abruptly disappear, and you are tormented only by the pain, with the thought of making it go away faster. The conclusion is that without health, you won't want anything anymore. Now, I'm not saying you should go to the gym. Now listen carefully. Change your diet, or rather eat at the same time. Eat more fruits and vegetables because it's summer and you can't miss this opportunity. Give up sugar. I myself gave it up and realized that my performance has increased many times over. I no longer feel drowsy and food tastes better. But our bodies require glucose, so eat more fruit. Get yourself some glutamine. It helps your immune system withstand the sudden changes in temperature that can make you sick, and it improves your immune system in general. Get some exercise and warm up. If you sit at your computer a lot, get up and go outside, get some fresh air, hang on the bar and stretch your back, be active, and sign up for some sports. Health taken care of, discipline. Do you really think you're going to get anything done without discipline? Let me tell you about my experience. I myself suffered from terrible discipline, getting up when I wanted to, procrastinating all my tasks. I got up late and there's no time for morning exercises because it's already 11 o'clock. I'd better get up tomorrow and do it. And so it went on day after day. During this period, I was taking my motorcycle license, and I couldn't bring myself to sit down and read in DD what I really had to do. It seems good that at one point something clicked in my head and I took up my discipline. To simplify my discipline, I started finding things for myself that energized me to keep going. For example, I put on some rock and money music and it carried on, and I'm serious now. I found exactly what that helped me get up early. When I heard that music, I was just so excited to get up and rush into the day. And you have to find something that energizes you. You can change a lot of things in a month. There's still time. If you think you've already blown it, come on, man, you want to be successful, but you're so dumb you're giving up. Keep going, just keep going. Good luck, everybody, and bye. I'll see you around.